Hello and welcome to Daily Vhs Tape video. Today we gonna learn how EAS alert works. This is our 287th VHS video. It is important, so please watch carefully. EAS alert is a national warning system designed to allow authorized officials to broadcast emergency alerts and warning messages to the public via cable, satellite, or broadcast television. For example, tornado, earthquake, nuclear attack or unknown entity. If there is EAS alert, stay calm, read the broadcast carefully, and protect you and your family. Thank you for listening. Remember to watch another tape tomorrow. You can collect one every day at our information point. Have a good day and don't die.